What's up? Welcome back. My name is Caela and my last name is Daly. Today we're going to be learning signs for the bathroom for kids. So I was born deaf and then I grew up hard of hearing and I have hearing aids. I went to speech therapy. So yeah, that's how I learned to know ASL signs. Okay, so you don't have to be deaf, or your kid or you or anyone in your family has to be deaf or hard of hearing to learn ASL. If you just want to teach it to your kids, it's amazing. That's why today we're going to be learning bathroom signs. So the first sign is bathroom. 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 And if you're asking a question like, do you need to go to the bathroom? Your eyebrows will be down. Bathroom. Bathroom. Okay, next one is pee. This is the sign for pee in ASL. You just pee, pee, and then poop, poop, and then help.